Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to open TikTok on mute by default. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type TikTok. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down until you find Playback and tap on it. Inside the Playback settings, you will see the option called Open TikTok on mute by default. Simply turn this option on. Now, whenever you open TikTok, videos will start muted by default, which can be helpful if you don't want sound to play automatically. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.